Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The Algorand, ALGO, cryptographic money has experienced issues ascending past its eco-values since its commencement in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbase to foster El Salvador's cryptographic money foundation, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has accordingly lost most of these additions, experts and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement. What is Algorand, ALGO? The Algorand blockchain, which plans to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement strategy called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Micheli of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, in the U.S., and its blockchain and nearby cache appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand, ALGO, fundamental analysis. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering, with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the primary day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed progressively. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Regardless of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the gigantic measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely consider the breakdown of the value of Algo's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo by means of private arrangement adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand Foundation task boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early sponsor had presented the drive to exorbitant dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per Global Coin Research. Algorand, ALGO, technical analysis. In the wake of being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as per Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents limit, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, in the end hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins joined the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a cooperation with the transient currency market exchanging stages to match global, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a huge number of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, proclaimed that Algorand will act as the establishment for its digital currency framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an untouched post-send-off high of $2.38. The money finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having recently delivered a redesign that improved shrewd agreements by empowering them to be written in famous programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a document-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, Algo has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA reported its participation with Algorand, it demonstrated that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, an all-inclusive implosion saw Algo exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand, ALGO, current price. Algorand is as of now worth $0.288071. Algo has moved minus 1.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $73,750,879. Algorand is as of now positioned 330 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,963,483,488. Algorand, ALGO, price prediction 2022. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. ALGO. The Algo cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.432300. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.403480 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.345840. Algorand, ALGO, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.720501. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.57640 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.634040. Algorand, ALGO, price prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.01 and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.92224.